In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom automation in Monday.com. If you want to save time and reduce repetitive manual work on your board, setting up an automation is a great place to start. Monday.com lets you build simple or more advanced workflows that run automatically based on rules you define. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to create a custom automation directly inside a board so you can make your processes more efficient and consistent. To begin, open the Monday.com board where you want the automation to live. This is important because automations are usually tied to the specific board you're working in. Before you continue, take a moment to confirm that you're in the correct workspace and board, especially if you manage multiple projects. That way, the automation will affect the right items and data. Once you're inside the board, click on Automations. This will take you to the area where Monday.com stores all automation options for that board. You may see suggested templates, existing automations, or a button to create something new. If you're new to this section, don't worry. The layout is designed to guide you through the process. Next, create a custom automation. Choosing a custom option gives you more flexibility than using a basic pre-built recipe, because you can define the exact trigger, conditions, and action you want. This is especially useful when your workflow needs to match a specific process instead of a generic one-size-fits-all setup. After that, choose the trigger that starts the automation. The trigger is the event that tells Monday.com when to begin. For example, this could be when a status changes, when a date arrives, or when a new item is created. Pick the trigger that best matches the moment you want the automation to activate, then add a condition to limit when the automation should run. This step helps make the automation more precise. Conditions act like filters, so the rule only runs when certain criteria are met. This is helpful for avoiding unnecessary actions and making sure the automation only responds in the situations you actually care about. Once the condition is in place, choose the action Monday.com should perform when the condition is met. The action is what happens automatically, such as updating a value, notifying someone, creating something, or moving an item. Make sure the action clearly supports the outcome you want, since this is the part that completes the workflow. Finally, save and test the automation. Saving makes the rule active, but testing is just as important. Try the trigger yourself and confirm that the condition and action behave as expected. If something doesn't work quite right, you can go back and adjust it. With a quick test, you'll have more confidence that your automation is ready to use.